Welcome to I and All, an engaging activity designed to help participants discover their strengths, build teamwork, and plan exciting group activities. Let's dive into how to execute this fun and meaningful exercise. Begin by setting up a circle where everyone can see each other. Place marker pens and sheets of paper in the middle. This setup fosters an open and collaborative environment. Ask each participant to write down their favorite free time activity, an interest, or something that bothers them. Encourage honesty and creativity. There are no wrong answers. Once everyone has written their answers, invite each participant to share their response with the group. This helps everyone get to know each other better. Divide participants into groups based on their common interests or hobbies. This step lays the foundation for teamwork and collaboration. Ask each group to design a one-day activity based on their shared interest. They should plan the steps needed to make their idea happen and consider how it can involve everyone. Bring the groups together and start building a class activity calendar. Each group contributes their plan, and together, you create a roadmap for the year. After the activity, reflect on what you've learned. Use these questions to deepen your understanding of teamwork and personal contribution. Keep these tips in mind for a smooth experience, and watch out for potential challenges. Remember, the goal is collaboration and inclusion. I and All is more than an activity. It's a step toward building strong cooperative teams. Try it with your group and see how it transforms your class culture.